Hey guys, how you going? Welcome back to Hearns TV, and yeah, it's me, Dan, and I'm not going to do an unboxing today, or it kind of is, but not in the traditional sense that you've been, seen me doing them before. I'm going to build the Battleship Bismarck. As you can see here, this thing is massive. Look at that. This is from our good mates at SLUBAN. Thank you, Cam, for this very much. Wow, this is cool. Yeah, I always liked Lego when I was a kid, but SLUBAN is so much better because it's actual military stuff. So yeah, let's have a look at this thing. And look at that, pan it across. Awesome. I'm going to build this a little bit at a time. So today we're going to go through just the one part. So it won't go for too long. Okie dokie. Yes. The Battleship Bismarck was the biggest German warship of World War II, actually, not including the Graf Zeppelin, but that never got finished, never went to combat. This one did. 792 feet long and was about 42,000 tons. 15-inch main guns, and it just was a monster. It looks so menacing. Had a sister ship, the Tirpitz, as well. Okay, let's open it up and get some of the blocks out, and we can go through the first round of construction. Okie dokie. And slide that off. I'll chuck that just down there. All right, so here we have all of the bits and pieces. All right, let's have a look at the instruction book. This booklet's thick. It's looking like there's going to be quite a few episodes of me putting this together. Let's see. There it is, finished. All right, so that's what we got to do, and then that's what we've got to do. All right. Let's find those parts. There's one. One there. That's the bag number. Bag number we need bag number 1 and 24. Okay. 26. Bag number 1. 21, 24. All right. Actually, I've got scissors. I should probably be using scissors for this. It's been many years since I've played with Lego. I feel like a young kid again. All right, that's bag number 24. Bag number 1. All right, so we need these black pieces there. There's the other 2. Very noisy, these bags, aren't they? Yeah. All right. Suck them. Whoa, nearly lost it. No, not that one. Put those over there. Now, so there's that. Goes there. And there. Where? The piece. There, so instruction. Whoa. Okay, that's that part done. And now we've got to go through box number 24, and we've got to put the grey parts on like that, just it looks like to hold it together. All right. Yes. The Bismarck famously sank the HMS Hood, and when it was escorted by the Prince of Wales, and Bismarck was escorted by Prince Eugen in the very famous battle where Bismarck sank the hood with one hit, snapped it clean in half. Actually hit it right in the magazine, snapped it clean in half, and she sank in about 11 minutes. And there was only 3 survivors, I think. And okay, let's put these parts on. They go there. That one goes. Oop, let me consult the instructions. Yes. That one goes there. And click those in, just like that. Piece by piece coming together. I'll straighten that up. They go together like that. Now 2 of those. One there. One there. Sure that's nice and strongly. Oop, not quite. There we go. And then the smaller parts. There were four blocks across. There's one. Finding the parts in amongst this is going to be probably the difficult part, probably more than the construction. There we go. 124 can stay there. Okay, now let's see what's on the next page. Okay, so we need bag number 3. Oh no, we don't. No, not bag number 3, just 1, 2. Oh no, it's just 3rd step. No, we don't need another bag, so I've got to get these pieces and connect them to there. Oh. So 6, no, not quite. Oops, actually I think I've got the wrong bag. I'm going to try it in this one. 6 pieces, 6 blocks long. Where are they? Nope, not in that one. A lot of bags, a lot of pieces. This is, like I was saying before, I get the feeling this is going to go on for a little while. See, I'm going to have to make quite a few. Ah, there's one. And there's another. Okie dokie. So these parts go there. And there. Let's see, there's another one. So 6 pieces long. Goes there. And it goes there. Now I have to do the, what do we got here? Ah, these things. And they're going to go all along the side. And 1 and 2. These, where do these? Ah, these go here. And there. Where are the other parts? And then these go out the side, like so. Chuck them on. Okay, I'll get this one finished. And then onto there. Tip them all out. Nearly there, only a few more. Let's see, where's the last piece? There it is. It goes there. And then the last two bits, like so. Oops, I'll click that in properly. There's there. There and there. And then we've got to do two, and I've got to do these parts here. These two little parts there. And then up the other side. Oh wait, no, sorry. There's got to be these bits. These bits, the little cornered pieces there. So that goes there. And that goes there. This one to there. And where is the, there it is. There's the last one there. Click that on. And then one and two. There. And there. Fantastic. All right. So we've got the basic bits down here. So this is obviously going to be the hull, and that's going to obviously build up from there. All right, cool. All right, I'll keep this first video nice and short because this is the first time I'm doing a construction video actually. So yeah, next one I'll be a little bit more prepared for, and yeah, go for a little bit longer and be a bit more involved. So cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Yeah. So stick around and watch the slow formation of the SLUBAN KMS Bismarck. Yeah, all right, tune in next time. Cheers.